Yep, it's a snowy day. Let's go in the shop where it's warm. Get that light on. We've got the barrel stove rocking in here today. That's working great. It's winding down on its burn. I had the oven up to 500 degrees, and that was inside the baking compartment. And you can see the little bits of cheese from a cheese sandwich I had in there. Yeah, they pretty much turned to powder. I just like a self-cleaning oven when it gets that hot. But I wanted to show you my new project. This is a tin stove, and it was actually designed by Lonnie from far north bushcraft and survival. I'll try to figure out how to put a link in. But I wanted to show you the stove I made. If you make the stove exactly like he made it, it's a great stove. I did do changes to mine, and I'll show you those now. So Lonnie, he had a solid door here. I just wanted to do a couple of upgrades, so I'm not showing you how to make this stove. I'm just showing the upgrades that I did to his design. And one is the door. I have a washing machine drum in the front to let air through the whole thing. He had a adjustable air. Now, like I say, make yours like his, everything will work great. I just wanted to show you what I did. And then the latch I made is obviously a little bit more trouble to make, but it does work. And then inside, just so it doesn't burn out so quick, I got a piece of that washing machine drum again, and I screwed conduit to the bottom so it sits a ½ inch off the bottom. This hasn't been burnt in yet, which because it is galvanized, you do need to burn off the galvanization outside. You don't want to have this inside your tent or inside any confined space, even this big shop, while the galvanized is burning off. You definitely don't want to be around it. You do have to take precautions when using galvanized metal and then heating it. So we're going to take this outside to burn it off. Another thing I did differently is I made an X bracket legs for it, and I'll show you how that collapses down, but I have to take the chimney off and lay this on its back to show you that. I might be off the center a little bit here, but bear with me. These are made to collapse in, and one is longer than the other by 1 rod, so you see they will collapse and then set up into that end. You can put a bungee around it and hold it in place, and there's just a bolt going through here and here, and then these rails hold it on the side of the stove. And why did I do it this way? Just like Lonnie explained, you use what you have. And this is what I had. I had the knowledge of how to do it as well. So I'm just showing you what I did. And they lock in place. So we'll take this outside and set it up and give it its first burn in, see where it's going to get hot. I'm hoping the bottom doesn't burn, so it'll last longer, but it is really just a 1-season stove if you take care of it. So what I have to light that, you probably recognize these. These are egg cartons with dryer lint and wax in them. That's what I'll be lighting it up with today. Got my little mini torch. But we are out in the woods, away from the house, so we aren't going to get any gases back in the house accidentally. And I am going to get that to my knee. The lock is fixed here, so we have a good air gap. Go ahead and light the dryer lint ball. It's worked great. And I'm going to log cabin my wood around that. Making little walls for the fire to catch to. And I can get a 22-inch piece of wood front to back. Like we're cooking. I'm going to go ahead and close that up. And we'll take a closer look. So let's take a quick look now that it's been sitting there burning a while. And that door opens so nicely. Oh yeah. Gets more air when you open it up there, so. And that shelf I put in the bottom, keeping the hot from burning, or bottom from burning up. So I'm gonna have to take the weed burner to whatever doesn't get that galvanized off